been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do this easy DIY layer photos that is going around on Instagram, but this is just a little easier way to do it. So I want you to open up the App Store and I want you to look up VITA app, which is VITA. And once you download it, you are going to open the app. I have to update it, so gonna open it up. Then you're gonna open the app and click on templates at the bottom, and then you're gonna click new at the top. I want you to scroll down to Money Tree. You're gonna see Kylie Jenner. I believe that's Kylie. Yeah, that's Kylie Jenner, and click use now. Then you can just add all your photos, which is 24 photos. And then when you finish, you click the purple arrow and it's going to apply the templates. You can also just preview it. You can change any photo if it doesn't open right. Like right here, you can see where it's kind of out of it. So you can just load up a new photo. And then there we go. So I changed the photo. And this is what it'll look like. And when you're done, you're just going to click export and then it's going to save the video, and here you go. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.